Mobile Fanatics, and I'm your host Limbo Mohale. Today I'm in Ganyamazana for the MFC clash between Kruger United and the Peace. A game of shooting control the score line of 2-2, and I'm joined by a friend Konolan Dunayami, Temla Konola like Kaya, but to a premiership automatic qualification Dunayami. Now the Temla like Kaya the Peace, Litro in Amutalana, and the Spaboni Nabo by surviving the relegation. Your thoughts and reflection to our William Matay Bula season lay.
Minang Sansak Chabula one.
Yeah.
Chabula cool. They came to sit with friends.
Sure.
With friends.
Sure.
Let us sit at Sala.
Yeah.
Sit at Sala, Sestil.
Sure.
Marinong Chabla and with the Crook was saying getting like a PSL one. But the only thing on Chablisao, with the Crook was saying a 6 point next season.
Look at
the Chiefs. Papa Makelwa. That's 6 point developed. 6 points. Get the Chiefs. I'm a coach. 6 point. It's either to Tatsala Musu 6 point developed. Stetsile ngabo siyadlula.
Sure.
Congratulations to Kruger United. Siyahamba lo mtsala. Danko.
Yini lefisela iqembu malifika ku Petro Premiership.
Mafika ku Premiership. Sure. Mina ngifisa ngathi iqembu ngagcina ama player linawo yabona. Na next season. Na next season ama player linawo asambeni ngawo cause ma team lamaningi. Masasithola I promotion. Babe sabasala ama player.
Sure.
Asasala nywana experience ayisebenzi labafana balambile. Bafuna iwin. Angeke sithathile isingaka lami. Apha ama experience players lewo yabona. Nyalo sasuka selanza ama player experience next season. So endani ngawo. Basejozi imali bayahadi already. Badlaleni bafuna imali mara labo balambile balakhaya sePumalanga. Hayi iKruger United congratulations. Bangikhumbuta iMbombela United. Dunayam. Khumbuta iMbombela United. Singagcwalisa ngana Mbombela United. Sure.
Labo
iMbombela United. Ngiyabonga lo mtsala.